Hey guys, welcome to ProTech. I'm Steven, and I'm here with Don. He's recording for me tonight. Tonight we're going to talk about splashing light. It's one of the techniques we go over in our Lowlight training, whether it's with a tactical light, a handheld flashlight, or a pistol-mounted light, or a rifle-mounted weapon light. Splashing light is all the same technique, and that's where you're using the roof of the room that you're in or the ground in front of you if you're outside and you don't have a roof to shine up at to splash light. Okay, so Don's going to turn the light off, and I'm going to go through a scenario here. If you can see, there's a lot of obstacles here, and I'm going to be moving back and forth in between them to address these 4 threats. And we're treating this scenario as each one of these threats can only be seen when we reach a new waypoint, a new barricade. Okay? So it's got to look like this. Okay, here we go. Okay, so that's the drill. Go ahead and turn the light back on. That's the drill. If you notice, my carbine ran dead, and you don't always have a sling on. When you don't have a sling on, just set your rifle on the ground, transition your pistol, or drop it, transition your pistol, especially if you don't have any spare mags on you to reload it, and you're in the middle of stopping a threat. Okay? Doesn't always have to be pretty, but it's got to work. So everybody stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.